Hey guys, welcome back. This is again a request video. A lot of you guys have asked me how to get rid of dandruff. Well guys, dandruff happens because if you have dry scalp, like all the flakes come down, and also because if you don't take care of your scalp properly. So now I'm going to show you how to take care of your hair, how to get rid of dandruff. This is 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Here I'm going to add lemon to this. Divide your hair into different sections and then apply it, like here, and you can take another section here and apply it all over your hair and leave it for about 15 to 20 minutes and rinse it. So this is the mixture that you all need to apply on your scalp. What you all can do is divide your hair into different sections and apply it. You all need to leave this for about 30 minutes and then rinse it. So do try this and let me know if this was useful, and comment in the section below if you have any more ideas to get rid of dandruff, and I will see you soon guys. Bye, take care. Hey guys, welcome back. It's winter season and your hands get really rough and really dry. Today I'm going to show you how to make your hands really soft with really few ingredients. So the first ingredient that we'll need is 2 tablespoons of olive oil. We'll add 1 tablespoon of sugar to this. So I'm going to mix this well. So this will act as our scrub. I'm going to exfoliate with this. So I'm just going to take half a spoon on my palm. So I'm going to take a little bit of this mixture. I'm going to rub my palms. So rub your palms really well. Guys, do this for about 3 to 4 minutes. Guys, I'm done with exfoliating my palms. Now I'm going to apply Vaseline. You all can apply any cold cream or Vaseline or coconut oil, whatever you guys feel like. So I'm going to apply it generously on my palms and between my fingers. Also near the cuticle area. Now I'm going to use gloves. You all can also use socks if you all feel like, or if you have hand gloves, that's better. So guys, this is the process. You can leave it overnight and wash it the next morning, and this is really good if you can do it every night. I know it's not quite possible, but then try to do it at least twice a week, and this is really effective. This will really help you. Thanks for watching this video guys. I will see you soon. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back. Firstly, thank you so much for all your love and support. You guys have been so sweet and so kind to me, and it's really nice to be, getting loved, and I will answer all your questions really soon, promise. So I'm back again with another video. Today I'm going to show you how to get rid of your wrinkles, and these are really easy tips. So let's start. So the first one is castor oil. So I'm just going to take a few drops of castor oil. So I'm just going to take some castor oil and apply it around my eyes. This is the area where you get a lot of wrinkles, and just massage it. So guys, do this for about 5 to 7 minutes, and you all can leave it overnight and wash it the next morning. Castor oil is really good. It nourishes your skin. This will really help you to get rid of your wrinkles. So guys, just take sliced cucumber. So guys, you all can do this daily. Cucumber is really good to get rid of your dark circles and also for your wrinkles. So do it daily or once or twice a week is also fine. So my third tip is orange. Yes guys, orange is really good for your skin. So I'm just going to peel this orange. I'm just going to squeeze in some orange juice. So this is orange juice. I'm just going to take a cotton pad and apply it all over my face. So guys, it's about 10 minutes now. I'm just going to wash my face. So guys, I've just washed my face, and orange is really good in skin tightening, and it also has vitamin C. And these were a few tips that you all can use to get rid of wrinkles. And if you have any more tips, please let me know. And I'll see you guys soon guys. I hope this video has been useful. Please try it and do let me know. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back. So if you guys have any skin allergies, skin redness, irritation, this is the video that you guys need to watch, because I am going to show you how to get rid of skin allergies and your redness. So for this you need only 2 ingredients, which is very simple, very easily available. This is Multani Mitti and rose water. So I'm going to take 1 tablespoon of Multani Mitti and I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of rose water. Now I'm going to apply this on my face, and guys, this is also helpful when you've just started bleaching your face and you get all those irritation, the redness. I had bleached my face once and I got a really bad skin allergy, so this is the pack that I applied and it went within half an hour to 1 hour. So guys, I've applied this pack. I'm going to let it stay for 15 minutes. Now I'm going to tell you the benefits of Multani Mitti and rose water. Multani Mitti helps in really glowing your skin and soothes your skin. And rose water helps in cleansing, refreshing and also moisturizing. These two combined together really soothes your skin. So let's wait for 15 minutes and then I'm going to wash my face. So time's up, it's 15 minutes now, and as you can see the pack is dried. I'm going to wash my face quickly and come back. So I've washed my face now and it feels amazing. Almost all the redness is gone. And if you still have any more redness, what you all can do is take rose water and spray it on your face. So I'm going to let this rose water stay to dry off on its own. And I hope this video has been useful. Please let me know and like this video. I will see you soon. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back. So my today's video is all about lip care and I'm going to show you how you can take care of your lips. This is more like an updated version. So the first thing that you'll need to do is exfoliate your lips, and for that you'll need a toothbrush. Just wet the toothbrush, the bristles, and then exfoliate. rub it till your dead skin comes off. Now this is done. So guys, exfoliating your lips is really important so that you can get rid of all the dead skin. And now I'm going to share with you 3 tips that you all can use to make your lips really soft. So the first one is, just take a cucumber, cut it into thin slices. So I've cut the cucumber into thin slices. Now I'm going to apply it on my lips. Just rub it in circular motion. So once you've done that, apply Vaseline or honey. So cucumber is said to be effective in removing all the dark pigment. So this will make your lips really pink and nice. So guys, the second tip is use butter. So this is the most oldest and a really effective remedy. You can just take butter and apply it on your lips. So you all can use this butter or clarified butter also, which is called ghee, and just let it stay for about 2-3 hours, or else you all can just apply it and go to sleep. Just exfoliate your lips in the next morning and become really soft. And guys, my third tip is aloe vera gel. Apply it on your lips and massage it. And guys, trust me, this really works. It will just work in a day. You'll see the difference. Just let it stay for about an hour and you can wash it. So guys, these were a few tips or home remedies that you all should definitely try to make your lips softer and really pink. And if you have extremely dry lips, please avoid matte lipsticks, or else use like a lip balm or Vaseline before you apply your lipstick, and drink lots of water. So I'll see you soon next time. If you have any more tips, please let me know and like this video. Bye guys, I'll see you soon. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to grow your eyelashes naturally. I know when you wear a lot of mascara, a lot of eyelashes, it falls out, and this is like the biggest problem. We all have this problem. So guys, these are a few steps that you all can do to take care of your eyelashes and to grow it quickly. So the first one is castor oil. This really helps to grow your eyelashes. I'm going to show you how you all can do it. Just take a few drops of castor oil, cotton bud. I'm just going to dip this, and now I'm going to apply it on my eyelashes. I had a little bit of mascara left, which is coming out now. Apply it on your lower lashes as well. So guys, what you all can do is apply it at night, keep it overnight, and then rinse it in the morning. So my second tip is brushing your eyelashes. So just take a wand like that. You can use any of your old mascara's wand, wash it nicely, and you all can either use coconut oil or Vaseline. So I'm just going to brush my eyelashes. So my third tip is massaging your eyelids. So y'all can again use coconut oil or Vaseline. I'm just going to use coconut oil now. Just take a few drops of coconut oil and massage this area for about 5 to 7 minutes. So guys, these were my 3 easy tips to take care of your eyelashes and to grow your eyelashes naturally. And I hope this video has been useful. Please let me know if you have any more tips, because I really need to grow my eyelashes. And I'll see you soon guys. Bye. Take care. Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you guys doing fine and I hope you're liking my videos. So guys, today I'm going to show you how to get really glowing and soft, nice skin. The first step is to exfoliate your skin. It's really important. I'm going to show you how to do it. So I'm going to exfoliate my face with this baking soda. Take 1 teaspoon of baking soda. So I'm just going to add a few drops of water to this to make a little thick paste. I'm just going to take baking soda and apply it on my face. I'm going to exfoliate my face with this. So guys, I've exfoliated my skin and I just washed my face. Now I'm going to show you the second tip. So guys, I'll be using lemon and honey. So I'm just going to add honey. I'm going to apply this on my face. So guys, I've just rubbed honey and lemon onto my face. I'm going to let this stay for about 5 minutes and then rinse it. So guys, I've just washed my face and as you can see, it's already glowing and I feel so nice and soft. So guys, what baking soda does is it balances your pH levels, which is really good in maintaining your clear skin. And what lemon has vitamin C and honey is really good for glowing skin. So do try this. This is really good, and exfoliate your skin first and then you apply this. So guys, let me know if this video has been helpful. I'll see you guys soon. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm here to solve a really serious problem, pimples. I mean, all you guys out there, we do get pimples and it is so irritating. So the cause of pimple is because your oil glands get infected by bacteria and it becomes really irritating. Number 1, eating habits. If you guys have a lot of junk food, oily food, this is the main reason that causes pimple. Number 2, maybe your hormonal changes. This also is a main reason to have pimples. And number 3, it can happen because of climatic changes, or maybe you don't wash your face or you don't take care of your face. So today I'm going to show you 3 home remedies that can really help you to get rid of pimples, and it's so easy. So guys, we have a lot of products out there in the market that will help you get rid of pimples, but I have 3 really easy home remedies. So let me show you. So the first remedy is Colgate. I know it sounds weird, but then trust me, it really works. So you just have to take normal Colgate. Remember that it shouldn't be any gel-based toothpaste. Just take a little bit of Colgate and apply it on the areas wherever you have pimples. Like I have really small pimples here. So guys, you just have to apply it on your pimple and leave it overnight and wash it the next morning. And trust me guys, this really works. My next remedy is lemon juice. Take a cotton pad and just apply it on your pimple. You guys can also add cinnamon powder to this. As lemon is really high in vitamin C, this will definitely get rid of your pimples. So the next remedy is betel nut. I know this sounds weird again, but this is like really tried and tested and not many people know this. So guys, just take betel nut and rub it onto a really rough surface and you'll get a paste out of it. So I already have my paste ready. So this is what you'll get, and just apply it on your pimple again. Guys, these were the 3 easy remedies that will help you get rid of pimple or acne. You all should definitely try it, and if you guys have any suggestions, do let me know. So I'll see you next time guys. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back. As we all know, beauty is something which comes from within. You really need to be happy to be beautiful. And how do you stay happy? You smile. So to smile, you really need to have like really nice pearl white teeth. So today I'm going to show you how to get really nice pearl white teeth and naturally at home. So let's get started. So first we'll need a toothpaste. You all can use toothpaste of any brand, but it has to be without mint in it. We'll add half a teaspoon of baking powder to this. I'll also add a pinch of salt and a few drops of lemon. Now mix it properly. I'll take a toothbrush. So we use a toothbrush. As I have really small teeth, I use baby brush, guys. Now I'm going to brush my teeth with this mixture. I'm going to wash my mouth and come back. So guys, I've just washed my mouth, and brush your teeth really well in the corners also, and do it for about 3 to 4 minutes and wash it really well because you don't want all the acidic ingredients to stay. So you notice the difference when your first use only. It's very effective, as you can see the difference. So guys, make it a point that you do this once in 2 months because it's very acidic. All the ingredients are really acidic, like lemon and baking soda. So try this remedy at home and you will definitely see the difference. Like this video, share it and subscribe. I will see you soon, guys. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back. I know it's winter season now and your skin gets really dry. So today I've come up with a homemade mask which you can apply and your skin will become really soft and really supple. So let's get started. So we'll be needing 3 ingredients. First one's banana and curd, which is plain yogurt, and honey. So we'll just take half a banana. And we'll just mash this. And now I'm going to add 2 spoons of curd or plain yogurt into this. And we'll add a few drops of honey. Okay, and mix it properly so that there are no lumps of banana left in this. As you can see, my mixture is ready. I'm just going to apply it to my face now. So I'm just going to tie a headband so that the mixture doesn't. I'm going to apply this mixture on my face. Guys, as you can see, I've applied this mixture. I'm going to let it stay for about 10 to 15 minutes. And let me tell you what banana does. If you apply banana on your face, it prevents from aging, from skin drying. And curd, as you know, it's like a really good moisturizer, and it also helps in whitening your skin. And honey soothes your skin and makes you glow. So I'm just going to leave this for 15 minutes and then I'll wash my face and show you. It's been more than 15 minutes. I have washed my face, and guys, my skin has become so soft and it's kind of glowing. It's become a little white too. So y'all should definitely try this mask. It's really helpful. And if you have any more mask ideas, any tips for winter, so do let me know. I'll see you guys next time, and do like this video. Bye guys, take care. Hey guys, this is Neena. So do you guys suffer from dark, swollen, puffy eyes? I'm basically talking about dark circles. And today I'm going to show you how you can reduce your dark circles. Dark circles are caused due to hypertension, lack of sleep and dehydration. I request you all to drink lots and lots of water, at least 8 glasses per day. And here are a few tips that I'm going to show you that you can apply on your eyes and get rid of dark circles. So the first one is, we're going to take 2 slices of cucumber and place it on your eyes. In cucumber, the water content is really high, and if you place this on your eyes, it will get rid of all your dark circles. This is how you place your cucumber on your eyelids for about 10 to 15 minutes. So the second tip is, just take tea bags like this. This is a green tea bag. I've already used this bag already. So I have a lot of green tea and I store these bags, and just place this on your eyes, as green tea has antioxidant. So this will remove all your dark circles and your puffy eyes and all. So just take your tea bag and place it here under your eye, and let it be there for 5 to 10 minutes. And the third tip is potatoes. Yes, potatoes. Just place it on your eyes, as potato has bleaching agents. So this will remove all the darkness from your eyes. And here are 2 slices of potato that I'm going to place it on my eyes for about 10 to 15 minutes. So I hope these tips have been useful and you will definitely try this. And if you have any more suggestions or if you have more tips, please let me know. And keep watching my videos. Bye guys. Today I'm going to show you this really easy scrub that you can make it at home, and you just need 3 things: coffee, oil and sugar. This scrub is really easy to make at home. This scrub will remove all the dead skin and will also brighten your skin. So let's start now. The first thing that I'm going to be using is sugar. Coffee. Coffee acts like a really good exfoliate, and it will also help in anti-aging. So the third thing that I'm going to be using is coconut oil. You all can also use olive oil if you want. Mix this thoroughly. And apply this mixture on your face and scrub it gently. Scrub your face for 3 to 4 minutes. So I've scrubbed my face for 3 to 4 minutes. I'm just going to take a wet towel and remove this. Wash my face and you all will see the difference. So I've washed my face now, and if you can see, it's become so soft and so radiant. Definitely try this scrub guys, and keep liking, keep subscribing. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back. Guess what? It's my birthday today. I'm going out for my birthday lunch. Hey guys, welcome back. So if you guys have any skin allergies, skin redness, irritation, so today I'm going to show you how to get rid of your facial hair